Welcome back to my channel. Today, we dive into the all-new 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 650, a mid-weight sport bike that blends power, agility, and everyday comfort. Kawasaki has taken a proven platform and evolved it for 2026 with modern tech, improved design, and enhanced performance. Bold new design. The 2026 Ninja 650 arrives with a sharper, more aerodynamic body inspired by its supersport siblings. The aggressive LED headlamps, redesigned fairings, and new color options make it stand out on the road. Kawasaki has also improved airflow for better stability at high speeds, giving the bike a sportier stance without sacrificing rider comfort. Engine and performance. Under the fairing lies the trusted 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, now refined for better throttle response and fuel efficiency. Delivering around 68 horsepower and a punchy mid-range torque, the Ninja 650 is perfect for both city rides and highway cruising. The 6-speed gearbox remains smooth and responsive, while the updated exhaust system provides a deeper, sportier sound. Technology and features. For 2026, Kawasaki has added a full-color TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to access navigation, calls, and ride stats. The bike also features advanced rider aids like traction control, dual-channel ABS, and selectable riding modes, enhancing safety and confidence for riders of all skill levels. Comfort and handling. The ergonomics have been refined with a slightly more upright riding position and a well-padded split seat, making long rides more comfortable. The lightweight chassis and improved suspension setup ensure agile cornering and stable handling, whether you're commuting or carving twisty roads. Final thoughts. The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 650 is a well-balanced sport bike that delivers thrilling performance without overwhelming new riders. With its modern styling, updated tech, and proven reliability, it remains one of the best choices in the middleweight segment. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more motorcycle updates and reviews.